Hey everybody, in this short YouTube tutorial video I will show you how to delete your favorited account. So first of all, let's open up the app, and now you need to go to the last tab. Of course, you need to be logged into your account. Okay, after that, on this tab you'll find your profile. Now just below your username, find the settings button, click on it. Okay, here it is. Finally, we are in settings. Now just scroll down to the very bottom until you find the danger zone. So here you can log out or delete your account completely. So permanently delete your account. Let's click on it. This action is permanent and irreversible. You will be immediately signed out and lose access to all your data. Be careful. You will not be able to withdraw your coins and you will lose access to them. So just read it carefully, please. And now just click on the delete button. Confirm delete, type delete in the field below to confirm. Let's do it. And click on the delete button again. And finally, our account is deleted. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.